morning students. In the last video we have seen the lesson of national symbols and national festivals. Today we learned the one words. So start with fill in the blanks. The first one, national symbol reflect the dash and cultures of a nation. National symbol reflect the dash and cultures of a nation. Yes, national symbol reflects the heritage. Heritage means parampariyam. Okay, va? Heritage and cultures of a nation. Second one, the national song Vande Mataram was written by whom? The national song Vande Mataram was written by, yes, Bankim, spell the spelling, Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. So the song Vande Mataram was written by Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. So third one, the sculptures in the national emblem are separated by wheels. Wheel. The sculptures in the national emblem are separated by wheel. Next one, the peacock is a national symbol of. The peacock symbolizes what, ma? The peacock symbolizes grace and beauty. The peacock symbolizes the grace and beauty. Next one, the Dash is the national river of the country. Dash is the national river. It is also the longest river of a nation. What is the river? River Ganga. So the Ganga is the national river of the country. Next, on Independence Day, Prime Minister hoists the national flag at the Dash in Delhi. At which place, ma, Prime Minister hoists the national flag? It's on Red Fort. Which place? Red Fort. So on Independence Day, Prime Minister hoists the national flag at the Red Fort in Delhi. Next one, the Indian national flag is a Dash flag. Indian national flag, so you know it is a tricolor. So next one, the Indian national flag is a tricolor flag. It is a tricolor flag. Indian national flag is also called as Tiranga also. There are dash spokes in the Ashoka Chakra. How many spokes, ma? It is 24 spokes. The dash is the Indian national animal. So national animal? Yes, tiger. Tiger is our national animal. The dash is the Indian song. Yes, already we have seen Vande Mataram. Was written by Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. Mataram. Once again we go through the fill-ups. First, national symbol reflects the heritage and culture of a nation. Second, the national song Vande Mataram was written by Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. The sculptures in the national emblem are separated by the wheel. The peacock is a symbol of grace and beauty. It is a symbol of grace and beauty. So it is called as a national bird. The Ganga is the national river of the country. Next, on Independence Day, Prime Minister hoists the national flag at the Red Fort in Delhi. Next, the Indian national flag is a Dash flag, tricolor flag. How many colors are there? 3 colors. Saffron at the top, white in the middle and green at the bottom. So next one, there are 24 spokes in the Ashoka Chakra. Ashoka Chakra is also known as Wheel of Law. Next one, the tiger is the Indian national animal. The Vande Mataram is the Indian national song. So next, right, true or false? Gandhi Jayanti is celebrated on 3rd October every year. Is it right? It is the statement is true? No, because Gandhi Jayanti is celebrated every year on 2nd October. See, so it is a false statement. Second one, Indians celebrate Independence Day on 15th August every year. Once again I repeat, Indians celebrate Independence Day on 15th August every year. Yes. So it is a true statement. Mahatma Gandhi believed in non-violence. Mahatma Gandhi believed in non-violence or violence, ma'am? Yes, non-violence. So it is a correct statement. India got freedom from the British in 1948. Is it in 1948 or 47? Yes, 47. So this statement also is a false one. Once again I repeat, Gandhi Jayanti is celebrated on 3rd October every year? No, it's celebrated on 2nd October. Indians celebrate Independence Day on 15th August every year? Yes. Mahatma Gandhi believed in non-violence? Yes. India got freedom from the British in 1948? No. India got freedom in the year 1947. Okay, next, match the following. The first one, national flag. National flag is also known as Tiranga. The second one, national anthem, was written by Rabindranath Tagore. The third, white color in the flag signifies peace and truth. Then the saffron color signifies courage and sacrifice. Then the last one, national song, was written by Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. So once again I repeat, national flag is also known as Tiranga. National anthem was written by Rabindranath Tagore. Third, white color in the flag signifies peace and truth. Then saffron signifies courage and sacrifice. National song was written by Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. So next one, name the following. So first one, what is the color of Ashoka Chakra in the Indian national flag? Say the color of Ashoka Chakra in the Indian national flag. Yes, what color it is? Blue color. Okay, well, navy blue color. Second one, what does white color signifies in the national flag of India? Already is in the match the following. White color signifies peace and truth. Peace and truth. So white color signifies the national flag of India was peace and truth. So next one, who designed the symbol for the Indian rupee? Who designed, ma? Who designed the symbol for the Indian rupee? What was the name? What was his name? His name was Udaya Kumar. Udaya Kumar. Learn the spelling. Udaya Kumar Dharmalingam. What was his name? Udaya Kumar Dharmalingam. Udaya Kumar Dharmalingam is a person who designed the Indian rupee. So next one, who awards bravery medals to soldiers and children on Republic Day? Who gave the award? President. So President give the awards to the soldiers and children during Republic Day. So next one, name 3 important festivals. Name 3 important festivals. So you can write any festival. So one is Diwali, Christmas and Ramzan. So important festival, Diwali, Christmas and Ramzan. Write the full name of Mahatma Gandhi. Do you know what was the full name of Mahatma Gandhi? So what full name of Mahatma Gandhi was? Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. So full name of Mahatma Gandhi was Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. So once again repeat the name the following. What is the color of the Ashoka Chakra? It is a navy blue color. It is a navy blue color. White color symbolizes peace and truth. Udaya Kumar Dharmalingam designed the Indian rupee. The awards bravery medals to soldiers and children on Republic Day was given by President. 3 important festivals, Diwali, Christmas, Ramzan. Full name of Mahatma Gandhi, Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. So next, Move on to question and answers. Answer the following. First one, which is the national flower of India? What does it signify? Read the question carefully. Which is the national flower of India? What does it signify? So, the lotus is the national flower of India. It signifies or symbolizes purity and achievements. So, it symbolizes purity and achievements. Second one, explain the importance of national anthem. Explain the importance of national anthem. So, first, the country's national anthem Jana Gana Mana was written by Rabindranath Tagore. First point, the country's national anthem Jana Gana Mana was written by Rabindranath Tagore. Second, Indians proudly sing this anthem on every year on Republic Day and Independence Day. Second point, Indians proudly sing this anthem on Republic Day and Independence Day. Third point, they also sing it on all important occasions at school and during other significant events. So, they also sing it on all important occasions at school as well as during other significant events. Once again, I repeat the importance of national anthem. So, national anthem Jana Gana Mana was written by Rabindranath Tagore. This is the first point. Second, Indians proudly sing this song on Republic Day and Independence Day. Third point, they also sing it on all important occasions at school and during other significant events. So, third one, explain the term national currency. The third one, explain the term national currency. So, first point, every country has its own currency. As you know, every country follows currency. So, every country has its own currency. Second one, the Indian currency is called Indian rupee, is INR. So, Indian currency is also called as Indian rupee. So, third point, the symbol of Indian rupee, this is the symbol, was designed by Udaya Kumar Dharmalingam. The symbol of Indian rupee, this is the symbol of the Indian rupee, was designed by Udaya Kumar Dharmalingam. Once again, I repeat the question. Explain the term national currency. First point, every country has its own national currency. The Indian currency is also called Indian rupee. The symbol of the Indian rupee was designed by Udaya Kumar Dharmalingam. So, next one, write a note on national river. Next we are going to see about national river. So, which is the national river? The Ganga. The Ganga is the national river of the country. It is the longest river in India which flows through mountains, valleys and plains. Which flows through mountains, valleys and plains. Third one, it symbolizes purity. It symbolizes purity. Once again I repeat, the Ganga is the national river of the country. It is the longest river in India which flows through mountains, valleys and plains. It symbolizes purity. So, these are the question answer, short questions for this lesson. Go through the lessons and learn the question answers and one words. Okay, next we see answer in detail. The first one, write a short note on the Indian national flag. Write a short note on the Indian national flag. So, the Indian national flag is also called Tiranga or meaning tricolor. The Indian national flag is also called Tiranga. It means tricolor. Tricolor means three colors. It has three colors, each with a significance. Each color has its own significance, means importance. So, it is also known as Tiranga or tricolor. It has three colors, each with a significance. Okay, va? So, now let us see what the three colors. Top, it is saffron, signifies courage and sacrifice. So, the top saffron color signifies the courage and the sacrifice. Okay, va? In the middle, white signifies peace and truth. In the middle, white signifies peace and truth. The bottom, green signifies prosperity and growth. Prosperity and growth. So once again, the top saffron color signifies courage and sacrifice, white signifies peace and truth, and green signifies prosperity and growth. So in the middle, in the center of the white band is a navy blue wheel called Ashoka Chakra. In the center of the white band, a navy blue wheel called Ashoka Chakra. It has 24 spokes. It has how many spokes? 24 spokes. The Ashoka Chakra is also known as Wheel of Law. The Ashoka Chakra is also known as Wheel of Law. You learn it in the point wise, it will be very easy question only, children. So just learn. Once again I just repeat, the Indian national flag is also called Tiranga or tricolor. It has 3 colors, each with a significance. So now explain the 3 colors. Saffron signifies courage and sacrifice, white signifies peace and truth, green signifies prosperity and growth. So next, in the center of the white band is a navy blue wheel called Ashoka Chakra. It has 24 spokes. Ashoka Chakra is also known as the Wheel of the Law. So just learn. Now second question, write a note on the Indian national emblem. So Indian national emblem. The Indian national emblem includes the sculptures of 4 ancient lions standing back to back on a circular base. So during the lesson I showed a picture, you also see the pictures and learn. So the sculptures of 4 Asiatic lions standing back to back in a circular base. The circular base has, what are the sculptures? Enna sculptures are an elephant, a horse, a bull and a lion. So enna sculptures? Elephant, horse, bull and a lion. Okay, va? Then in the middle of the national, below the national emblem, one motto was written. What was the motto? What was the motto? The motto Satyameva Jayate. The motto Satyameva Jayate is written in Devanagari script. It is written in below the national emblem. It means truth alone trims. So what it means? Truth alone trims. Once again I just repeat, the Indian national emblem includes the sculptures of 4 ancient lions standing back to back on a circular base. So 4 ancient lions standing back to back on a circular base. Second point, the circular base has sculptures of an elephant, a horse, a bull and a lion. The motto Satyameva Jayate is written in Devanagari script below the national emblem. It means truth alone trumps. Truth alone trumps. So these are the detailed questions, only 2 detailed. You just go through and learn it. And also learn the answer the following, match, fill-ups and true or false. So today, home assignment was for today. Learn and write fill-ups and true or false. So in this lesson you just learn fill-ups and true or false. Learn and write one time. Thank you.